Buckle up, travel buffs. These 5 destinations are calling your name. First up, let's jet off to Bali, Indonesia. Picture this. Crystal clear waters, lush green rice terraces, and vibrant culture around every corner. It's paradise on earth. Next, we're heading to Budapest, Hungary. Think grand castles, thermal baths, and a nightlife that'll make you dance till dawn. It's the heartbeat of Europe. Third stop, Kyoto, Japan. Imagine walking through stunning bamboo forests and ancient temples, plus cherry blossoms in the spring are an absolute must-see. Coming in at number 4, we have Cape Town, South Africa, with its breathtaking Table Mountain, beautiful beaches and rich history. It's an adventure lover's dream. And finally, Dubrovnik, Croatia. This stunning coastal city offers medieval charm, crystal clear Adriatic waters, and some of the best seafood you'll ever taste. Game of Thrones fans, you're in for a treat. So there you have it. 5 mind-blowing destinations to add to your 2024 travel bucket list. Start packing those bags. Adventure awaits.